Hope you all are healthy and safe. I am reaching out to provide you all with some survival skills for freshmen. Usually, if we were in a building, we would do this in a classroom and we would talk and connect. But since we are not in the building, I am providing this slideshow virtually. Okay, so if you can be patient with me for 10 to 15 minutes, I wanted to provide you with some information. Okay, so class of 2024, this is what we're going to be discussing during this slideshow: courses and credits, NTI schedule, graduation requirements, GPA, career pathways, and college and career. If you notice, you may hear me and Mr. Reho mention a lot your class that you will be graduating from. This is important. You are class of 2024, and it's your expectation to be graduating May of 2024. So the first up is credit. I know this is your first year as a freshman. You only been in as a freshman the first 9 weeks, but I still want to provide you with the number that you need that will help you and will transition you to the 10th grade. So remember this number. This is your goal: 5 credits. You have to have 5 credits in order to be a sophomore, which is a 10th grader, in order to transition to the 10th grade year. Okay. Junior year, you will have to have 11 credits. Senior year, 16, and altogether you need 22 credits in order to graduate. So where do you stand as a freshman? So if you didn't already know, you are in semesters right now. You have a fall semester and a spring semester. Your fall semester lasts from August to December. Your spring semester lasts from January to May. Right now you're in fall semester. You also have 7 classes. Although you may not go to all 7 classes every day, as if you would if you were in the building, you have 7 courses. Each passing course, you will earn a half a credit. So all 7 of your courses, if you pass them, you will have up to 3.5 credits you receive this semester and 3.5 credits you receive next semester. So that gives you a total of 7 credits, which is way over the amount you need to be a sophomore. But that's what we want to push your goal for. We want you to pass all your classes, because that's right now the 9th grader. All your classes that you have are required courses. So here's your passing grades. This is what you need to be in order to pass: an A, a B, a C, or a D. Now, we don't want to see a lot of D's, but D is passing. If you get a U or an I, that is failing. And here's what's more important. It's a little different in middle school. If you fail, you have to repeat the course. I will say this again. If you fail, you have to repeat the course. So if you are in English right now or in math right now and you're receiving a low grade, which is a U, if you do not bring that grade up, you have to take that English course again, in addition to other courses you will have your sophomore and junior year. So that's why it's important to raise those grades up. If you do not know your grades right now, all your grades are in student portal. If you do not know how to get into student portal, please reach out to me. I'm Mr. Ray Holden, one of your teachers, so we can help you, okay? Next is the live sessions. Live sessions are important. You learn content, you ask questions, you connect with your teachers, and it keeps you organized. Here is the live session schedule. You were sent this at the beginning of the year. If you do not have it, please reach out to me and I will provide it for you. Or take a picture of it right now and write it so you can have it somewhere so you'll know what classes you're supposed to be going to each and every day. If you are currently failing one or more course, you need to go to all your live sessions. It's just you need to go, especially if you're failing and you don't understand the work, you need to reach out to your teachers and go to your live sessions. It will help tremendously. So I really recommend, I know I keep saying it, go to your live sessions. Okay? Recommendations for requirements for graduation. I'm sorry. These are your freshman requirements to graduate. This is required of you to get a high school diploma. If you look, you'll see English 4, that means you have to have 4 years of English. 4 years of English is your freshman year, your sophomore year, let me go back. Freshman year, sophomore year, junior year, senior year. All 4 years you will have English. You'll also have to have a half credit PE and a half credit health. So for those who are in PE right now in health, you have to pass that class in order to graduate from high school. And the electives you are in are all important too. So if you are in media arts, if you are in law and justice. If you are in pop culture, those are all courses and electives that you need in order to graduate. Okay? So moving on, the GPA, called grade point average. You will have a GPA, your semester GPA, a yearly GPA, and a cumulative GPA. You actually have a GPA right now. In your 6-week report, if you scroll all the way down and look, it says GPA. That's your current GPA. That is not going to fit because that's a progress report. And you will have a fluctuation in grades between now and the end of the semester, but that's where you stand right now. If it's around a 1.5 or 1.0, that means that's a D average. If you're looking to go to college or university or play sports, recommend you have a 0.5 GPA, and that's a C plus. If you're looking to get some scholarships in the future as a senior, and you accumulate all your GPA, and you calculate your freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior GPA, 3.0 is about an average of what you need to get scholarships for colleges and universities. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're interested in going to college. 3.0 is the way to go when actually looking for scholarships. So here's how to calculate your GPA. You notice these highlighted colors, this is what your grades equal. So if you have an A right now, it's equal to a 4. Have a B, equal to a 3. C equals to a 2. D equals to a 1. And as you all know, when you fail, you get 0 points. So what you can do is add all your grades per class. Just be reminded you have 7 classes. So this is an example. So if I was a student, and I will have an A, I will have 4. The second period I have a C, so I have 2. Third period I have a B, so I have 3. Fourth period I have A, so I have 4. Fifth period I have C, so I have 2. Sixth period I have A, so I have 4. Seventh period I have C, so I have 2. So then I'll add those up, and that equals 21. Now divide the 21 by the 7 periods that you have, that equals to 3. Then your current GPA, or my current GPA, is a 3.0, is the B average. Okay? So if you need help with calculating that, please reach out to me, reach out to Mr. Rayho, reach out to your teacher. Okay? Next is your career pathway. So I kind of over school, and we offer career pathways your sophomore, junior, and senior year. Right now, every freshman will take a career pathway course. Now, it's not going to say career pathway course on your schedule. It's going to look and say something like performance-based attendance. It's taught by Mr. Floyd. That's your career pathway course. Like I said, every student will have it. Every freshman will have it. So either if you have a fall semester, if you don't have a fall, you'll have a spring semester. If we were in the building, we would have tours, and you'll have speakers, and we'll talk about the Western High School Academies and pathways. However, we're not in the building, so we have to do it virtually. So right now, we're going to be reaching out to you all in a couple of weeks, probably the next week, and send you all a video, and so you can see all the pathways you have to offer. Your teachers will talk to you. Some students will talk to you about the pathways, okay? And then you're going to select a pathway at the end of each semester, okay? So if you are wanting to go ahead of the game and look at the pathways, I provided you with the pathway highlight sheet. So here's all the pathways we have to offer: culinary arts, patient care tech, graphic design, carpentry, and administrative support. Administrative support will be changed next year to entrepreneurship and management. So if you are interested in owning your own business or working at a corporation, that pathway will be for you, okay? And once I send this off, I'm going to send this off during a voiceover like I'm doing now, and I'm also going to send the PowerPoint to Google Slide sheet, so you can click on these links and it gives you a little YouTube video about what the pathways have to offer. We also offer your early college program. And in order to get into the early college program, it will be offered your sophomore year. You have to have a 2.5 GPA. Your attendance has to be high and behavior low. It is an application that you have to fill out. And you also have to provide an essay. Your parents have to provide an essay. And you also have to test. But they'll provide all that information for you. If you don't know anything about the early college program, it gives you an opportunity your junior and senior year to actually go to college. You'll be enrolled at Jefferson County JCPC. You'll go first period to fifth period with college classes, with college kids, and then you'll come back to the school building and focus on your required courses. You have the opportunity to get up to 60 credit hours. free, and you do not have to pay for them. So you can not only get your high school diploma, you can also get a associate's degree. So it's an awesome program. Just have to keep your GPA up. Remember, 2.5 is the number that you need to keep your GPA in order to get any opportunities for college universities and early college programs. Okay? So college and career. I just mentioned it. If you're interested in college career, that's awesome. Always start early. Right now, you can't go on these go on college tours, but you can go on virtual college tours. So if you remember, beginning of the school year, I provided emoji. So I'm going to provide it again of your college and career opportunities. So this gives you all an opportunity to look and kind of explore what colleges and universities have to offer. So if you click on any one of these stars next to the logos of the universities, it gives you an opportunity to provide a quick little YouTube video of what they have to offer. If you see the chef hat and the carpentry hat, the construction hat, it's a little opportunity to focus on what the pathways we have to offer too. So please take your time today or tomorrow to review this. If you have any questions about colleges and universities, I'm more than welcome to reach out to give you and provide that information. But this is the end of the presentation. What I will say to you is please make sure you do your best in all your classes. If you have any missing work or if you have questions, please ask your teachers. If you need to raise your grades, please ask your teachers. If you're failing right now, please reach out and ask your teachers what you need to do and work on your missing work. And more importantly, please go to those lab sessions, especially if you are not doing so well in your course. Please remember, at the end of the semester, your courses, your classes will be, those grades will be permanent on your transcript. And if you're trying to go to college and universities, colleges and universities will see that you on your transcript in English your freshman year. So it's important that you try to do your very best. Right now, with what we have, I know you all want to be in school. I want that as well. But until everybody's healthy and safe, we have to use what we have and the resources that we have. So please reach out to us if you have any questions, concerns, and we will get back with you as soon as possible, especially your teachers, myself, Ms. Plato. Okay? The Freshman Academy, take care of yourself. I'll talk to you all soon.